Hello everybody, I'm the Chief Business Development Officer for Bedford Auto Repair. We're going to have a grand opening on July 10th, 2021. The signs were ordered yesterday from Ken Koppel and Koppel Advertising right here in Bedford, Ohio. This address is 611 Bedford Avenue, and this is where we will be having our gathering. Call it the Zarlino Annual Bash. That's my last name. My phone number is 347, and then you simply spell my last name. Z like zebra, A-R-L-I-N-O. 609, right next door, will be another distribution center, possibly for Kirby Vacuum. I have that coming in, and this location will be changing its name to Bedford Auto Repair, right here in Bedford, Ohio, 611 Broadway Avenue, and the telephone number will remain the same. The website is www.bedfordautorepairs.com. Thank you very much for watching our video today, and we look forward to servicing your automotive needs right here in downtown Bedford.